Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into AHPRA or Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in AHPRA login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to this interface with multiple search results. Then head over to the first link that says online services or www.ahpra.gov.au. Then you will be directed to this page. Here, if you scroll up a bit, there you will get a login prompt. So first of all, you have to enter your user ID. Make sure you enter your valid user ID and under that, select your date of birth. First of all, select the day and again select your month and the year. And under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password or you want to reset your password, there is a link as well that says reset your password next to login button. Click on that link, follow some instructions and that will help you out to recover or reset your password. If you are done typing in your password, then click on this button or checkbox that says I am not a robot for your verification, and after you are done typing in your password, click on login button and on the next page you should be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log into AHPRA account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.